Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook sauteed papaya with sardines. So it's very affordable. And then it's delicious also because I love sardines. Except if you don't like sardines, but I love it. Okay, so we need salt, black pepper, water, sardines, papaya, onions, spring onions, and then garlic. Start. We're gonna saute the garlic. I saute the garlic, onions, added the spring onions. It smells yummy na guys. Why budget guys? So sardinas lang. First, so that the sardines will not become softer. Kanang makuha na siya dito, dugmok pag-ayo. So, naon sa ninato. Sige, 2 sardines. To cook the papaya. Just a pinch of salt and oyster sauce. We're gonna simmer for how many minutes? Until the papaya is done. Okay, we're gonna cover first. Okay, it's already cooked. Oh, it's super yummy. I love it. I love sardines anyway. Okay, so we're gonna garnish. Okay, guys, I'm gonna off the heat now, and then I'm gonna taste it. Okay, with the little sardines. The sardines. Oh, look at that one. Okay, okay, and it's yummy. Sarap. This is my first time nagisa og sardines with papaya. Sauteed sardines with papaya. It's sauteed papaya with sardines. It's super yummy. Yummy. Okay guys. Sauteed papaya with sardines is done and it's super yummy. It's very affordable. And I love it. It's delicious. Okay, so thank you for watching and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Bye bye.